What's going on, everyone? You're watching the Iron Gordon channel. Thank you for being here. Today, I got a Jaguar that fades into some Mexican folk art. I'll explain a little bit as I go. Let's get in the project. Meow, meow. So I have all my pieces cut to shape, I have the edges sanded smooth, and I have everything blocked out with a nice shade of white to give myself a blank canvas to work from. Now what I have to do is come up with the color palette I'm going to work with. But also first I need to figure out what a North American Jaguar looks like. Okay Google, show me pictures of a North American Jaguar.
Alright, images of North American Jaguar.
Alright, let's see. Okay, yeah. See, this is what, okay. Shades of gold, yellow, white, some tan. Yeah, but first we gotta see what I have in stock. So here's what I came up with. I have a Navajo white, and then I'm gonna follow that up with some sun yellow, then fading into a marigold, and then I'll probably top it off with this metallic bronze. And then to unify everything, I have some of this gold-fashioned candy paint from Little Daddy Roth. Now remember, like I mentioned in a previous video, candy paint is transparent paint, so this is a nice gold tone. I think it'll just help unify everything. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's get back into the project. Here it is with the Jaguar colors laid down on the front half of the body and on the head. These parts I'm not real worried about right now. They're going to transition into teal, so I don't need them right now. But what I do need right now is to focus on the spots. And the way I've decided to do those are with stencils. It's going to be a 2-color stencil. I think it'll just give it a nicer texture, maybe a little bit more true to fur. And yeah, I think it'll look better than me sitting here hand painting each and every single dot or spot. Alright, let's do this. Oh yeah, something I wanted to mention, when you're spray painting on a stencil, you want to try to keep the can parallel with the item that you're painting, because if you go at an extreme angle, you run the risk of getting paint underneath your stencil and you'll get overspray all over everything. But then again, what do I know? I'm just a mediocre artist on the internet. where this project starts to take a little bit of a turn because the client asked me to make the Jaguar start to fade into it.
Alebrijes.
But more specifically, they are Mexican folk art creatures that are often brightly colored and have these painstakingly beautiful hand-painted repeating patterns on them. I'm gonna sort of try to recreate some of that, hopefully. Alright, let's get this thing done. I just wanted to give a big shout out to my client Jesse. He's also an artist from Amarillo, Texas, so this was his creative concept. This is definitely an idea I couldn't have come up with myself. I'm going to link his Instagram in the description below so you can go check out his work. I have my Instagram link in the description below. I have Amazon links in the description below if you want to help support the channel. Go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe, hit that bell icon, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I'll try better next time.